What is cloud computing? Introduction. Cloud computing is a type of computing that relies on shared computing resources, rather than having local servers or personal devices to handle applications. Definition of cloud computing by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, has a more comprehensive definition of cloud computing. It describes cloud computing as a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources, e.g. networks, servers, storage, applications, and services, that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. Ability, space where you store your data, process it, and can access anywhere from the world, as a metaphor for the internet. Cloud computing is storing data, applications on remote servers, processing data, applications from servers, accessing data, applications via internet. What is a cloud service? Cloud computing is taking services and moving them outside an organization's firewall. Applications, storage, and other services are accessed via the web. The services are delivered and used over the internet and are paid for by the cloud customer on an as-needed or pay-per-use business model. Service. This term in cloud computing is the concept of being able to use reusable, fine-grained components across a vendor's network. Characteristics, OR. Features of cloud environments. According to the NIST, all true cloud environments have 5 key characteristics. On-demand self-service. This means that cloud customers can sign up for, pay for, and start using cloud resources very quickly on their own, without help from a sales agent. 2. Broad network access. Customers access cloud services via the internet. 3. Resource pooling. Many different customers, individuals, organizations, or different departments within an organization, all use the same servers, storage, or other computing resources. 4. Rapid elasticity or expansion. Cloud customers can easily scale their use of resources up or down as their needs change. 5. Measured service. Customers pay for the amount of resources they use in a given period of time, rather than paying for hardware or software upfront applications. I. Storage. Cloud keeps many copies of storage. Using these copies of resources, it extracts another resource if any one of the resources fails. CHEIZ. Database are repositories for information with links within the information that help making the data searchable. Advantages, I. Improved availability. If there is a fault in one database system, it will only affect one fragment of the information, not the entire database. T2. Improved performance. Data is located near the site with the greatest demand, and the database systems are parallelized, which allows the load to be balanced among the servers. Price. It is less expensive to create a network of smaller computers with the power of one large one. EV's flexibility. Systems can be changed and modified without harm to the entire database. Disadvantages, complexity. Database administrators have extra work to do to maintain the system. Labor costs. With that added complexity comes the need for more workers on the payroll. Security. Database fragments must be secured, and so must the sites housing the fragments. Integrity. It may be difficult to maintain the integrity of the database if it is too complex or changes too quickly. Standards. There are currently no standards to convert a centralized database into a cloud solution. 3. Synchronization allows content to be refreshed across multiple devices.